Things that you can expect during a window replacement project are people being in your business. We're going to be in your home. We'll need to get inside each room that we're doing the window in. We'll need a few feet in front of that, so if there's any beds or dressers or things, furniture that are in that area, we'll need those pulled back. We'll need access on the exterior, so if there's any plants or shrubs or things in the way, those will either need to be tied back or trimmed a little bit so that we have access to that space. If we're doing windows or patio doors up on a deck, we'll need the furniture either removed or taken back. We try to concentrate on getting all the windows in the first day, first couple days, get all the windows in the opening so that we're done with that portion, and then we'll come through and do the interior casing. But for a few days, there's going to be people in and out of your house, but we put down drop cloths, we put down little runners so that we're making sure that impact on your home is as little as possible, but it's pretty intrusive to have your windows replaced. So just be ready for people in and out of your house for that couple days, but we try to minimize that as much as possible.